Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is March 18th, 2025, and we're diving into FibroGen's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year 2024. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. FibroGen has been making some strategic moves, and their latest financial results provide a lot to discuss.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. FibroGen reported a total revenue of $3.1 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, down from $3.6 million in the same quarter last year. For the full year, revenue was $29.6 million, a decrease from $46.8 million in 2023. John, what does this tell us about the company's financial health?
These figures indicate a challenging year for FibroGen in terms of revenue generation. The decline in revenue is significant, but it's important to note that the company is undergoing a transformation, including the sale of FibroGen China, which could impact future revenue streams positively.
And what about their profitability?
FibroGen reported a net loss of $8.7 million for Q4 2024, which is a substantial improvement from the $62.5 million loss in the same quarter last year. For the full year, the net loss was $153.1 million, down from $323 million in 2023. This improvement is largely due to their cost reduction efforts and strategic restructuring.
Strategic initiatives and developments. FibroGen has announced some strategic initiatives, including the sale of FibroGen China to AstraZeneca for approximately $160 million. How will this impact the company's financial position?
This sale is a significant move for FibroGen. It not only provides a cash infusion, but also extends their cash runway into 2027. This will allow them to focus on their core operations and upcoming clinical trials without immediate financial pressure.
They also mentioned the initiation of a Phase 2 trial for FG3246. Can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. FG3246 is a promising candidate targeting metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer. The Phase 2 trial, expected to start by mid-2025, is a critical step in their pipeline and could potentially lead to significant advancements in cancer treatment.
And there's a new CFO on board.
Yes, David DeLucia has been appointed as the new CFO. His expertise will be crucial as FibroGen navigates these strategic changes and aims for financial stability.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 14 cents for FibroGen, but the actual EPS came in at 0.8 cents. What does this tell us about the company's performance relative to expectations?
FibroGen exceeded analyst expectations with an EPS of 8 cents compared to the forecasted -14 cents. This is a positive sign, indicating that the company's cost-cutting measures and strategic initiatives are starting to pay off, leading to better-than-expected financial performance.
Future outlook and risks. Looking ahead, what are the key milestones and risks for FibroGen?
FibroGen is planning to meet with the FDA in the second quarter of 2025 to discuss the development of roxadustat for anemia associated with lower-risk myelodysplastic syndrome. Additionally, they expect top-line results from the Phase 2 study of FG3246 in the second half of 2025. These are critical milestones that could significantly impact their future prospects.
And what about their financial position and risks?
With $121.1 million in cash and a simplified capital structure post the sale of FibroGen China, they are in a stronger financial position. However, they still face risks related to clinical trial outcomes and regulatory approvals, which are inherent in the biopharmaceutical industry.
Key takeaways. In summary, FibroGen has shown resilience with a better-than-expected EPS and strategic moves like the sale of FibroGen China. Their focus on core operations and upcoming clinical trials positions them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
FibroGen is on a promising path with their strategic initiatives and financial improvements. Investors should keep an eye on their clinical milestones and regulatory developments, which will be key to their long-term success.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on FibroGen's performance in the comments below. Until next time.